Hello guys, let's see how to we install VMware software in Windows machine. So let's go. To download the VMware software, we need to go Google Chrome and search here download VMware. Then enter. Here we see the link. Just click on it, and here the download option. Just click on it. I already have a downloaded file in my local directory, so I just want to go the local directory file. This is the downloaded file location, VMware Workstation 4. I just want to copy on this. I just want to right click on this file and run as administrator. Opening the window for download installation. I just need to next button, and then we need to accept the privacy license agreement. Next, then next. We do not need to update help improvement. Just uncheck both of them, and now click on next button. Here I just want to see the icon at desktop and let's say start menu. Now install. Installing the VMware Workstation. Here we can see the icon, shortcut icon in desktop. Installation completed. Now I just want to give the license key because I already have. This is the license key, and then enter. Is not valid. Please try again. I just want to give another one. This is completed. Now click on finish button. Our VMware installation completed. This is the VMware. Just click on it. This is VMware Workstation.